This Remax of Hot Springs Village property video is presented by Clem. Terrific location. 3 blocks from Kirk of the Pines. No carpeting with new hardwood throughout in 2020. Tile-in baths and laundry room. New roof in 2019. New heat pump in 2019. This immaculate home has double sinks in master and handicap access. Large kitchen with island in the middle, large deck in back, partially covered and fenced in backyard. Extra large garage with lots of storage. Home offers lots of privacy on quiet cul-de-sac. For more information, review the details below or contact Clem at 501-620-6163.